cam there on Texas Street. We're seeing the wasp active there, as they are many times. They sense what goes on with this kind of stuff, so they get excited about it and maybe look for something to eat before they take a nap after the storm. All right, so let's go back to Leesville and see if we can find a tower cam view over in that direction. And there we are. Looks like a little bit of haziness mixed in. We've got some the Saharan dust lingering in the sky. You might have noticed being hazy, and sometimes that can give some nice sunrises and sunsets visually. But for now, things over in Leesville just mostly cloudy. We do see some hit and miss showers and thunderstorms on radar. Some of the heavier action has moved to the east of us, but we're seeing another little band. This is the one which is moving away from us and weakening. But this is a new bit kind of trying to take shape. There's outflow boundaries sitting right in here. So let me draw a little bit closer in to this and look at the front, which is down into our area. So we got a little boost in the atmosphere from the front for lift. We've also got this kind of clockwise circulation here with reflective of high pressure, a hot bubble of air in control of things. But on the east side of that, as that flow comes down out of the north and northwest, we have little ripples of energy. We call those disturbances. And with that working on the daytime heating with a little extra added by the front, we're getting these scattered showers and thunderstorms across here. And I'm surprised sometimes we don't get more coverage from these kind of events. But today it's been hit and miss. So let me step you through the next couple of days. And starting with this evening, say around 7 o'clock, you got some entertainment plans or something like that, errands to prepare for the 4th. Thought of something you needed for tomorrow and you don't have it. Well, this is your forecast. Hit and miss showers and thunderstorms will continue, so it might not be a bad idea to bring an umbrella with you if you're going about shopping this evening. But I still think your chances are more of you will stay dry than get wet. Now, Friday morning, if you're an early riser, say around 7 o'clock, I still think there will be a few showers, maybe an occasional thunderstorm, and that pattern will kind of play out off and on throughout the day, hit and miss. And then by fireworks time, 9 o'clock, we still see a chance of rain, but I think it's going to be small. It's going to be decreasing. So right now, I'm not anticipating much, if any, problem with your fireworks displays. And then going into Saturday midday, looks like that day will start off with less rain chances and temperatures will climb once again. So tropical interest areas, we've got a little area, 60% tropical depression is likely over the next 7 days somewhere. And this is kind of shifted out of the Gulf of Mexico. This is more a factor there for the coast off Georgia and the Carolinas and maybe up the East Coast just a tad. If that system's able to take shape, Eastern Pacific, we got the likelihood of development down in that area as well. 7-day forecast for us. Unfortunately, folks, I did have to increase the rain chances for July 4th. I've never known a 4th here that I can recall where we didn't have to worry about rain chances sometime or somewhere during the day from the weather. All right, so yeah, 40% is not much, but for some of you who do get a storm, it's going to throw a damper on things, I'm afraid. But I think that will be the exception and not the rule, and that's about the best forecast I can offer for the 4th of July in these parts. And I'll cut that in half by Saturday, heat it up a little bit. That'll be a hot day. There'll be some upper 90s, and it will feel over 105, 110 in some of the worst areas there. So very hot Saturday. Be careful out of that. Rain chances will start to increase again on Sunday. Modest increase there, and we'll keep low and scattered going Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and increase it a little bit more there for Thursday. And those numbers, that is actually a typical early July forecast here in Central Louisiana with that rain chance coverage 30 to 50%. Temperatures, that 95 is a little higher than the 92 that we typically see. The 91 to 93s are in there, a little bit more typical there. So the heat is on any day before the showers and thunderstorms and in between. But you know how it is in Cenla. That's the way the climate treats us. All right. Well, Nick will be with us in the morning, and I'll stream again during the evening hours, I think. And in between, I guess we'll pop some fireworks. Take care. Have a safe 4th as well.